National Electrification Administration Administrator Edgardo Masongsong is no longer part of the Duterte administration. President Rodrigo Duterte has fired Masongsong due to alleged involvement in corrupt activities.
PACC conducted investigation and made the recommendation for his dismissal. So, I have approved.
In May 2021, the PACC, or the Presidential Anti-Corruption Commission, filed a case against Masongsong before the Office of the Ombudsman. The case was about the NEA chief's supposed inaction on the alleged use of public funds for the campaign activities of the party list PhilReca, or the Philippine Rural Electrification Cooperatives Association.
I'm sorry, but I said people are really skeptic and cynic about our desire to improve government service.
Duterte stressed Masongsong's dismissal shows his desire to rid the government of corrupt public workers.
I'm given the opportunity to show to the people again that we are not bragging about it, but we are trying our best to cope up with the situation regarding graft and corruption in our government.
The president also wants to correct the public perception that his administration is corrupt.
Nasingit ko lang ito just to show to the people. Actually, corruption kasi ang lumabalabas nitong sa COA. So we have to correct that perception because it will destroy the faith of the people in government. That's one. And it's very important. The people must be informed, and they must realize that we are a working government.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.